into 2. Right. The LCM and HCF of two numbers. LCM and HCF of two numbers. 180 and 6. So LCM 180, HCF 6 respectively. If one of the numbers, that means two numbers have. First number, one number is 36, then the other number is very important and very easy. The relation between two numbers and their LCM and HCF equal to two numbers, letter A, B. AB are two numbers. AB are two numbers. Next, LCM equal to 180, HCF equal to H. L mean LCM, H mean HCF. Then one number. So the relation between LCM and HCF of the two numbers, AB equal to LH. AB equal to LH. A mean first number, B mean second number, L mean LCM, H mean HCF. So the relation between LCM and HCF of any two numbers equal to AB equal to LH. So A mean first number, let 180, B mean second number 6 equal to L mean 180, B mean A mean LCM numbers. One of the number is 36. One number first number A, second number 36. First number let 36 and second number don't know. So to take B. L mean LCM 180, H means 6. So to take any number A, B, but here I take A is the first number, another number find out number, B second number. So L mean LCM, H mean HCF. So next B equal to 180 into 6 by 36. 6 1 ja 6 cancel, 6 6 ja 36. After 6 1 ja 6 cancel, 6 3 ja 18, 0. So B equal to 30. B equal to 30. So where B equal to 30, B is the answer. So very important and a very easy problem. First of all, any problem, one time read and understand what is given, what is found out. That is the main important. So the LCM and HCF of two numbers 180 and 6 respectively. If one of the number is 36, then the other number is dash. So given option A 24, B 30, C 18, D 42. So we observe that problem, given what is given, what is found out. Given LCM and HCF and one number given, second number find out. So the relation between LCM and HCF and their any two numbers, AB equal to LH or LG. Take HCF also GCF, HCF, anyone, no problem. So AB equal to LH. A mean here first number or second number, anyone take, but here I take one number, first number A. So 36 into B equal to L mean LCM 180, H mean 6. So B equal to 180 into 6. 36 will be changed denominator, that means division 36. So first of all cancellation, 6 1